Hey, good day guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Renoy from OC Imaging, and today I'm going to be talking to you about getting up and getting started. Let's go. So I'm actually using the same setup that I did in the last video with my Yongnuo 50mm f1.8 lens, and I actually have an attachable lens on it that makes it a little bit wider than normal. I'm actually going to change this back out to my Tokina RMC f2.8 28mm lens. I think I prefer the look that I get from that. So I'm going to go ahead and get that changed. Wait, over this side. Whew, after that quick lens change, I am back. So let's get into this video. Like it says, if you don't start, you won't start. So for those who know me personally, you'll know that I've dabbled in a lot of things. Of course, some have worked out better than others. I've been a delivery man, I've sourced and sold my own goods, I wrote a book, and I've even had days in the studios where I was writing songs and singing songs. Well, there's just one song which wasn't a hit song, and I'm still trying to figure out what happened to that song, but you get what I mean. You might ask why I'm saying all this, but bear with me, there's a reason. I was able to do all these things simply because I started and I wasn't afraid to try. I decided months ago that I wanted to start a YouTube channel and posting videos probably once a week or so. I started getting the things I needed, I started watching how-to videos. So I found a video editing software and a channel called That Modern Dude, and he actually taught me a lot in regards to how to edit basic editing in this software that I use. He's a pretty cool guy, and I reached out to him, and he's been trying to get me to upload my first video for months now. We had some conversations, and he actually told me that he started his YouTube channel with his smartphone. His first couple of videos were actually done on his smartphone. So I actually had no excuse not to be starting my YouTube channel because I had my Nikon D5300. As a matter of fact, if you go on the YouTube channel for a lot of these famous YouTubers, check out their first video. It's probably horrible. The lighting's probably horrible, the quality is probably horrible, but guess what? They got up and they did it, and that's the most important part. Now you might ask, where is all this coming from? Well, it's pretty much coming from persons who reached out to me after I posted my first video. They were saying things like, I want to start my own YouTube channel. I've been meaning to start my own YouTube channel, but for whatever reason, I'm not able to do it. I've heard things like, I don't have an expensive camera, or I don't have the experience. And that's the wrong way to look at it. So here's a few tips that I'm going to give you if you feel like starting a YouTube channel. Bruh. So number one, have at least a basic knowledge as to what exactly you're going to be focusing on your YouTube channel. Don't worry about not being an expert or anything like that. I guarantee you that once you keep this up, you're going to grow and learn. Number two, and this is quite important, and I actually didn't do it for a video I did recently, and yeah, I should have. So you need to write a script. Now don't get me wrong, you're not going to be following the script line for line, but it's going to provide you with just a base as to exactly what you're going to be following. As for gear, use what you have. Most people nowadays have a smartphone with a fairly decent camera that can be used. You can start with what you have, and eventually, as things grow and as you grow, you can upgrade whatever you use to record. If you are, however, interested in getting a professional level camera, I would suggest you check out CashRiz. They normally have a collection of used DSLR cameras, but more than likely some of them will have video capabilities. You can just purchase one and start using it. And also, if you do purchase one of these cameras and you feel like you're not sure what to do, feel free to reach out to me and I'll provide you with any knowledge I have in regards to that camera and see how best I can help you. Okay guys, so for who's following me on Instagram, you might know my model. I have a model. I'm not a photographer, but I have a model. This is Monique.
Hi.
She has helped me a lot because when I just got the camera, I wasn't exactly confident in regards to taking some photos or whatever. She was always ready and raring to go. And as you can see, when I just started out, a lot of my photos were of this little lady right here. So the last bit of advice that I'll provide you guys with, just hit record. Stop procrastinating. Just press record. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, And of course, I definitely look forward to hearing what you guys have to say in the comments. So remember guys, if you don't start, you won't start. Once again, my name is Renoy. Just remember, live, love, and laugh.